So the online resource is hugely useful for people who are trying to balance working life with study, especially for people like myself perhaps who haven't studied for a long time. It's hugely accessible. It means it brings a lot of flexibility to the way that you learn and you absorb information.
The webcasts are absolutely fantastic. They're a great revision tool and they're also great for cementing any knowledge that you need to sort of catch up on from the lectures. Straightforward, it's just username into the computer, it takes you into the home screen, it gives you a breakdown of the course modules, and then you just access the individual course modules from there.
So what it really provides is a fantastic platform for learning. Really, it gives you an opportunity to consolidate your understanding of a topic at a very basic level. Something like law, clearly there are a lot of rules and there are a lot of cases that you need to learn, and the resource provides you with the links and the things that you need to prioritise and learn.
It comes up with additional information on the side, which comes up with sort of Word documents of maybe a handout from the lecture or questions with answers in it, and I find that's very useful because it helps you structure your essay even more. It might even pinpoint you to the cases, at which point it gives you the key facts and lets you look at it further, and it gives you some more information to include if needed. The way that the resources are organised means that you're actually able to identify resources that you need on a daily basis. Documentation you might need, whether it's an appropriate statute or a case, is signposted for you and clustered around that particular module that you're studying and that particular part of the module.
On the side afterwards, once you've read through the related links, so any key cases that are discussed in the webcast, any key journal articles, and also mini quizzes to test yourself at the end, so you really can make full use of the webcast and really go to the nth degree if you want to test your knowledge.
One of the things I find that if I haven't understood something, one of the key benefits is that it's very easy to just drag and rewind and revisit a particular topic or even a tiny aspect of what a lecturer is trying to deliver to you if it's a key message. And it means that if you've only got an hour to study, which is often the case, you can actually fit what you need into that hour rather than being driven by the resource itself.
I found I've used it in a lot of places. Mostly used it at home, but when I was in at university and on my way in I could use it on my iPad and on my iPhone. I found that very useful because it did make use of my time a lot better. You
can download the podcasts onto your phone as well, so I've done that and I'll use them in the car when I'm driving in just to go over a few things before lectures, or I'll definitely use them before exams as well. The benefits are huge, to be honest. It's sort of unlimited access to the course in a way that you've never had before, so it's almost like having the lecture at home.
It's changed the way I learn because it's more focused now, whereas instead of looking at a whole chapter in a book, I can just look at the key point that's going to help me answer the question in the exam.
In conclusion, I think the webcasts are sort of a great technical development that really bring everything together, and I'm definitely reaping the benefits of them.